Guys, congratulations on purchasing your Tool Caddy. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble it. You will need a Phillips screwdriver or a drill, okay? We're going to go on to a video and we're going to show you how to assemble this Tool Caddy right now. Step 1. So we're going to put, you see these two longer bars? We're going to go ahead and connect them. We're going to connect them with this connector right here. And what you want to do is put this connector, let me show you how to do it. I know we did all of them already, but you see this right here? You're going to go ahead and screw it, make it look just like this, okay? And then the first thing you're going to do is slide it in halfway. Right there. And then you're going to go ahead and slide it in, and it's going to be halfway, then you're going to screw it. Make sure you're on a flat ground so it can be even. Just like this. Okay. And for this video, I'm only going to screw 2. And then you see the opposite side? You're going to do it right here. You're going to move it right there. One more. Then you're going to screw this in. Let me loosen this a little bit. Make sure it looks like this. Right here. And then we'll slide it in. Same thing, put it in the middle, and then screw all of them. Make sure they're screwed tight, but for this video, I'm only gonna do 2, okay? Then we're gonna go on to the next video. Step 2. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in just like this. And don't put it in all the way, just screw in the nut like halfway. Just like this. And so we did all 4 of them. There's going to be 4 for you to do. And then what you're going to do is put this in like this. And then you're going to slide one of these bars in here. Hold this, Stephanie. Okay, and then you're going to slide this in. Just like that. Make sure it's flat like this, guys. And then we're going to screw it in. This has to be in the middle. And make sure your ground is level. Just like this. Then screw this one in and make sure it's in the middle. See it? Right when it get a little bit tight, and make sure this is screwed in really tight, guys. And you're gonna do the same thing to all 4. So you're gonna have your leg just like this. You see that? And you're gonna put all this in, and we're gonna go on to the next video. Step 3. You see how this look like? Look. You see it? So we're gonna do this one. Hold this. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this in. You see these nuts? We're gonna put this on the back right here so it can support it. So I'm gonna put 2. You see the 2 right there? I'm gonna put 1 right here. I'm gonna put 1 right here. And I'm gonna put 2 right here. You see that? And then I'm gonna take some screw and a screwdriver. So this right here, I'm gonna go ahead and move this one. You know what, let's do this outside one. And look, I'm gonna move it just right here. And I'm putting the screw right here. See it, just like this. I'm not gonna tighten it, just a little bit. Right here, I'm gonna put this right here. Then right, see how you want to center it right there? I'm gonna take this right here. Same thing right here. Y'all get what I'm trying to do. Then let me get my drill so to make it faster. And we're just gonna drill it in, guys. Be careful, make sure all this is in the center before you start drilling in. But this is how you do this step right here. We're gonna move on to the next step. Step 4, guys, you're gonna take your wheel, you're gonna put your little nut on it, then you're gonna put it right here. You got 2 wheels with locks, so you gotta decide where you're gonna put it in, and you got 2 wheels without locks, okay? So it just depends how you wanna put it. If you want your locks on either side or you want it together, it's however you wanna do it. Then we're gonna go ahead and screw this in, and you got a little wrench right here that you need. And you wanna put this more toward the outside so it don't flip over, because if you have it right here, it's not gonna be too stable. So you're just gonna screw this in, guys. You wanna put it more toward the outside. And then right when it's screwed in, just go ahead and screw it tight. And then make sure you take it out. So you're gonna do 3 more. And then you're gonna put this cover on it. This is a bump cover. You wanna put this because this will, if it hit your ankle, you're gonna be mad at me. So you see that bump cover? And you're gonna have 4. Then we're gonna move on to the next step. So guys, you see this right here? If you just wanna have something to hold anything, you see, look, you can put this anywhere you want, guys. See right here, you can take it out and put it anywhere you want. Just make sure this is loose, and then it will grab onto the back. And then you got another holder. This is one of my favorite. You see this one right here? So this one you can put, you know, like your soda or anything, spray bottle, anything that you want, because they have a base. You see this right here? For the video, I'm just gonna screw one in, and then we're gonna screw in the rest. That's pretty neat. And you see this right here? Look. Just in case you wanna put, you can put a beer on here. Then we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay guys, this is the final step. Congratulations, you're almost finished. You gotta put this bump cover, and you wanna put it on the top. So you can put it right here with a mallet. And remember, this is like Lego. You can do whatever you want. Look, it can hold your torch. You see that right here? You might wanna move this over here and move it lower so your torch don't hit. It can hold your heat gun. It can hold anything that you want right here, okay? And this is gonna make you very efficient. Congratulations.